Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you all? Today I'm making a salad, pasta salad, a spicy pasta salad. It has all the components. It has all the nice veggies, it has chicken, it has pasta, amazing dressing, and we are making it from the scratch. Okay, let's start the recipe. So I have here chicken breast. I made thin fillets out of one chicken breast. So what happens with this kind of cutting is that the cooking process reduces and all the marination goes in really quickly, because as you know that we are making it from scratch and we have to be quick with our marination and the processing. So just for the sake of quick cooking, I just did it. If you have just the whole chicken breast, you can always marinate it, leave it for 5-10 minutes, and then make it on your pan and just cut it as a julienne or slices, whatever you like. For the chicken, the marination I am using is, this guy is the hero of the recipe, Tabasco sauce. So this salad is not sweet, okay? It's a savory salad and it's a spicy salad. So the marination has Tabasco sauce. 1 tablespoon I will add Tabasco sauce. 1 tablespoon I will add mustard paste. Dijon, I have Dijon. You can use plain if you have plain. Then I will add my seasoning. I have some garlic powder. Garlic powder would be 1/4 teaspoon to 1/2 teaspoon. Some paprika for color. Some salt to taste and some black pepper. Okay. So guys, let's begin the marination. So 1 tablespoon of mustard goes in. Okay, to have some tangy flavor and spicy flavors, we will add Tabasco. This is mainly a Tabasco salad. You can call it a Tabasco salad because the taste of Tabasco in our dressing and in our chicken will be the most, I would say, prominent one. Then I will add some salt. I always use Himalayan pink salt. This is a better, healthier version of salt, guys. If you have the option, please do use this. It's a healthier option. Okay. Now some paprika, up to you, whatever amount you like. I'm using 1/2 teaspoon. Some black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon or to taste. And I am also using some lemon juice here. Lemon juice is optional. Just few drops. Okay, now I'm gonna mix it in so that all the marination goes in really nicely. The chicken gets coated. My chicken is really thin, so inshallah we will be able to cook it really quickly. So chicken is going in. Pan is hot. I have added 1 tablespoon of oil just to coat my pan. It's not a good idea to stuff the pan at one place, but guys, I am doing it because I am too impatient. Okay, this is done. So now we will just wait for our chicken to get cooked, and we will leave it around, I would say 3 minutes each side would be enough, and it's gonna inshallah get cooked properly. Okay, so now let's come to the veggie part. So a rough measurement, since it's a salad, so you don't really have to be exact, but just for the sake of idea, I'm giving you all the measurements of the vegetables in my dish. As you can see, I have taken bell peppers, green bell pepper. It's one medium size, cut in small chunks. Then I have around 1 cup of cabbage, shredded cabbage. Then I have 1/2 cup of carrots, julienne. Then cherry tomatoes, I have cut in half. These are around, I would say, 12 to 15 cherry tomatoes. Let me just reduce the heat, guys, because the flame is literally hitting my face. And then the cucumbers again cut in cube, 1 cup or according to your choice. And 1 cup of elbow macaroni. It's already boiled. I have boiled it and placed it in the dish so that it's easier for me when I'm mixing everything. This is the dish I'm going to use for mixing. And by the time our chicken is getting cooked, let's prepare our yummy dressing. So this is half cup of mayonnaise in my bowl, and then we will add a lot of stuff to make it really tasty. First goes again Tabasco, as I told you that this salad is all about tanginess and spiciness. 1 tablespoon of Tabasco. Then I will add some lemon juice, around the same amount, 1 tablespoon. Then I will add oregano or mixed Italian seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon. Then I will add 1 tablespoon of sour cream, heaped 1 tablespoon of sour cream. This goes into, I'll mix it. And let's keep an eye on our chicken as well. We don't want to burn our chicken. So around 2 to 3 minutes each side, guys. Mix it well. You can always dilute it with some water if needed. I will check the seasoning later when I'm done adding all the ingredients. I will add some pepper in it too, but I just wanted to mix it first so that I can see the color. Because of the Tabasco, our dressing will get some nice color. So guys, I think it's time to change the chicken. Flip the side. My chicken is very noisy in the pan, and it's very nicely done from the base. As you can see in the pan, the grill marks are here and it's nice and cooked. And now I'm cooking the other side, and inshallah in 3 minutes it's gonna get cooked. And now I will add some pepper. I can use my hands for pepper. Pinch of black pepper and pinch of white pepper. Mix it in again. See, the creamy dressing is ready. I will taste it just to see if I need or not. Yum. This dressing is yum. What I'm gonna do, when I will coat everything with my dressing and chicken and veggies, then I will adjust it with some salt so that we balance the amount of our seasoning. Okay guys, let's check our chicken. Let's take this out. We don't have to overcook our chicken, otherwise the chicken will dry up and the juices will go away, and we don't want that. We want our chicken to be moist. This fillet was very thin. This cooked really quickly. The easiest tool for me, guys, is kitchen scissor to cut the julienne. And of course it's very hot. I cannot even hold it properly, but I'm cutting it for you guys so that you can see. What you can do is just mix half of the chicken in the salad and just decorate with some chicken julienne or chicken strips on top. You can do that too. Totally your choice. And I am cutting it right away because I have short of time and I have to show you everything. But when you are making it, please give some rest to your chicken. What it does is it just holds up all the juices of the meat, and then you cut it so that the flavors stay intact. And if you cut in the hot, when it's very hot, the juices kind of, you know, release and chicken gets drier. Chicken is done. How about some tasting? Really nice, juicy, flavorful, and I can feel the taste of Tabasco. It's really good. So our last step, my platter is ready, guys, and now what I'm gonna do, I'll just do the mixing, adjust the seasoning, chill it and serve it. So I'm of course not going to chill in front of you, but when you are serving, make sure that you are serving your dish chilled, because this salad tastes amazing when it's well chilled. So guys, always keep the option of adjusting the dressing after you are, you know, done mixing everything. Okay, so this goes into, chicken is now cold. How about keeping some as a topper? I'm just saving some to decorate the top so that you can see that how the chicken looks. Because of my grill pan, you can see the color is really brown and you know, just like the ready-made rotisserie chicken, because of my grill pan. So now goes in the dressing. All the dressing goes in, and then I will adjust the salt and very good mixing, a nice coating everywhere, and then I will check if it needs salt. So this is what you are looking for, guys. You just need enough to coat everything, and it shouldn't be extra you know, creamy or just leaving the sides. You don't really need that, because we have so much flavors in our dish. We don't really need too much of dressing. Okay, so tasting, just for the purpose of adjusting salt. To be honest, I am not going to add any salt in it. It's perfect. Flavors are really well blended. My chicken was very nicely seasoned. That is why the flavors are amazing. It's super delicious. Tasting great. The only thing is missing that it's not chilled right now. Once it's chilled, it's gonna taste even better. There you go. Tomatoes have added a lot of you know, life and nice color to the salad. So you can always adjust the veggies according to your taste. Not really exact measurement is needed. I'm just placing it so that I can show that, you know, it's a chicken salad. It's totally optional. I'm just doing it for the sake of you know, presentation. I have some crackers here, guys, so I'm just gonna place some crackers on the sides, again just for the presentation. So this is the platter. Our spicy pasta salad is ready, which we made with our grilled chicken. Do try it. If you have any questions about the recipe, please do ask me in comments, and inshallah I will post this salad's recipe, complete a recipe, on YouTube and on my website. And again, please do let me know what you want me to make here. And Ramadan is coming, so if you have anything in your mind which is suitable for Ramadan prep, do let me know. Inshallah I will make that as well. Thank you so much, guys. Assalamu alaikum. Bye.